2027 Storm Track weather with Chief Meteorologist Cameron Hopman.
Well, Mother Nature throwing us another curveball. First this fog, now rainfall settling back in over southern Wisconsin over the last few hours, especially for a time of the year in which, well, normally we would like to see more of that snowfall this time of the year. Not getting that today, even with temperatures hovering just above that freezing mark. Conditions just aren't correct for that freezing precip. So, yes, rainfall out there rather than snow, and I'm sure those evening commuters will be thankful for that, but we are going to be looking at a dreary, damp, kind of gross next 24 to 36 hours. So the rainfall has settled back in. Some of the heaviest of that rain up towards Mauston at this point. Richland Center seeing some of that heavy rainfall closer to Dane County and Madison. Yeah, more or less, you're getting the idea that all of us are seeing that sustained rain at this time, and we'll continue to see it. East Wash looking sufficiently glistening in that rainfall. Not to mention, we're still dealing with the low visibility as well. Visibility in downtown Madison up to around 2 miles with those temperatures about 34 degrees. And yes, that rain coming down, even though it feels like 29 degrees, visibility still impeded across much of the region. You see Madison's at 2 miles, Watertown, which was up to about 10 miles earlier, now down to 1. Monroe, just about a third of a mile visibility. Mineral Point, about a half mile. And again, once you combine rainfall with the low visibility, we are talking about that dense fog advisory. And even though that lets up through 6 o'clock tomorrow, we are still looking at that dense fog lingering maybe even as late as Saturday as well. So foggy, kind of dreary conditions sticking around. Thankfully, that combination of rain and fog not necessarily impacting travel across the area. We did see some slowdowns on the Beltline earlier on. That's normal, obviously, for 4 or 5 o'clock in the evening. Right now, things looking fairly smooth across the region. If you are, however, taking Fido out for a walk over the next few hours, grab that umbrella. You are going to need it. 35 degrees at 8 o'clock, 34 right around 10. By midnight, we're down to around 34 degrees. Again, temperature's not fluctuating a whole lot because of the amount of moisture in the atmosphere. So temperatures by the time 6 o'clock roll around, or I should say 10 o'clock roll around, sitting virtually where we find ourselves right now. More of that rain will continue to fall as we sleep tonight into early tomorrow morning. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. We'll see a resurgence of that rainfall closer to 6, 7 o'clock in the morning as well. Your appcast tomorrow, umbrellas at the ready. Temperatures will gradually warm, however. We're up to 35 degrees by our lunch hour. 3 o'clock pushing 37. But the rainfall continues on. Now, our future track wants to bring some of the snow and freezing mix precip back into the region. I'm not expecting that. This is going to be a rainfall event rather than snow chances. We may see some freezing precip in the middle and upper levels of the atmosphere, but by the time it's reaching the surface, it should turn into rainfall. So scattered rain hangs on up until about dinner time on Friday. After that point, we are drier, thankfully, but look at how much rain is headed our way. Some areas seeing more than a half an inch of rainfall. This is just estimated projections there, but more or less you get an idea. Plenty of rain over the next 24 to 36 hours. As for that extended forecast, there's your high temperature of 37 on Friday, 38 degrees on Saturday, Sunday 36. Pleasant weather, at least more pleasant weather. Peaks of sunshine, actually a possibility Saturday and Sunday. It feels like it's been weeks since we've seen the sun. In fact, just 2 sunny days so far this year. We've had 9 mostly cloudy days, 13 overcast days.
It's been a long January.
Yeah, it has been a long January so far, and hopefully, yes, warmer weather. We don't want to see all that snow melt, but I'll take temperatures near 40 any day.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Cam.